hindi pala kasi every week pala ako nag-upload. Bitaw. Anyway, it's me again, Eeee's Diary, and welcome to my vlog. So today, it's a special day. Actually, it was not a special day. My day.
Post special day.
Actually, it was Friday was my special day. And because I was sick, I was not feeling well, so we didn't do anything. I didn't even get out of my bed. So I was very sick. I had cold and flu. So for 2 days, like Friday and Saturday, I stayed in my room, on my bed, lying the whole time. So hopefully today we are going to celebrate my birthday.
Happy birthday!
Aren't you going to beat me happy birthday?
Done.
So on that day, I received a gift from my partner, of course, and he gave me this. Yeah, GoPro!
Yes!
At least, diba, may nag-sponsor na sa akin ng GoPro. Ayan, and I'm gonna try this. I will show you the video because he took some video of me while I was opening the gift, unboxing time. And then how was I that day, my feeling, my voice, you can see, you will hear my voice, you can see my face. It's face of a sick person. We'll show you some clip of that, and his greeting to me that day. So let's go, let's celebrate tonight. Let's celebrate my birthday. It's just me and my husband. We are going for a dinner at Fridays. Thank God it's Friday, even if it's not Friday. So ayun, he likes steak and I like steak too, even if bawal sa amin, but still we will go and celebrate at Fridays. So greet nyo naman ako, happy birthday guys. So ayun, I hope that tonight you are going to eat with me, celebrate with me, get your food for your dinner, and let's eat together. So let's go, let's enjoy the night, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much. While we are there and eating our food, I will try this GoPro that he gave me. Let's see the quality. It's a GoPro Hero 9. So it's my first time to have this GoPro. Sa wakas, narinig din niya yung mga parinig-rinig ko, no? So ayun, let's go guys, and thank you so much to everyone who are there to watch my video. And to haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified on my next video. So let's go, let's have a celebration, a mukbang night, and let's have a good time.
Video to.
I-open ko na.
Oh, birthday mo naman. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Share ko muna. Ano to, Dad?
Gift nga eh. Magbigay.
Kaya ako, yung dali niya mo to, bibis ka ganina. Dito tayo kayo pagkabalo to, daaw maayo kayo sa mabala to.
Gaskat step lang yan.
Ha?
Gaskat step lang yan sa gilid. Yeah.
Ano to? Ay, ano pala siya? Yung nani?
Oh, foil.
Ah, Amazon, ikaw ba to? Yes! Amo kaya kong ilo. Gitipan lagi mo balik yan. Bihanin mo yan, gitipan mo. Okay. Oh, wow! I have GoPro 9. Wow, Dad! Thank you! Kiss ko rin. Kiss ko muna. Oh, wow! Live streaming? 5K. 4 plus 4K. Wow!
Hindi pa video ko.
Ha?
Naka-portrait.
Hindi mo ito. Or less mag-start ka sa umpisa. Bakit nakapunit na to?
Isod kita ni tao ni imong GoPro na.
Bakit? Bakit may ganito? Ano to?
Barko tanggal.
Tanggalin mo? Wow! Wow! My dream came true when I became 30 teeth! Wow, thank you, God! Ano, hindi ko nag-expect, Arnie.
Ay, sulod.
Oh, wow! Hello! Oh, wow! Dad! Wow, thank you, Dad! Ay, payan ako. Pugat lagi siya, no? Pugat siya. Ano yung battery? Extra ni? Ano ni? Ay, mo ni siya itong mount. Kani, ito ni? Charge. Kani? Para malak. Ah, dire. Mag-aana siya. Basta. Sabi ko, oh my God. Original ba? Parang ba?
Ay, original yan.
Sorry, pag-on. Wow, thank you so much, Dad.
Wala pa yung battery.
Sorry. How many?
Diyan may kabit mo ano.
Ito? Ah, okay. Nga ako ano ka o ano? Sorry. Ano siya? Ano galing na tripod? Hello, first time yun ako eh. Thank you, Dad. Sorry.
Ayun, open mo.
So I'm gonna order this steak and cheese, and he's gonna order something different this morning. Steak food. So, order muna kami. I'll be coming back.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Kain tayo, kain tayo. Kaya mo? Been a long time. Oh, matagal tayo nakakain ito. Di ba yan? Ganahin nito. Malaki na galing ano na. So, ayun. Sana kumakain na rin kayo dyan. Nagubusog ako. Sana nagubusog din kayo dyan sa mga kinakain nyo. Ano sila sa onion nito?
Onion.
Spicy? Hindi?
White onion yun.
Ah, tamis. So that's it everyone. That's the end of my video. Thank you so much for tonight, for celebrating with us. So that's how I celebrated my birthday. I'm just having a dinner with my partner, and hopefully by this weekend I'm gonna celebrate it with my friends. If I am totally free from sickness, if I'll be totally fine, I will be celebrating with my friends and with my brother-in-law, with family. So that was perfect. That's enough for me. The food was perfect. The food was good. We missed steak of TGIF because we always cook at home, so we don't eat outside. So that's it. Thank you so much for everyone who are watching, and thank you for coming with us. Thank you for eating with us. And I hope that you enjoyed my video. Again, thank you so much. So that's it, everyone. Thank you again for being with us, for coming with us, for eating with us, and having dinner with us. So before I end this video, I just wanted to say thank you to all who watched this video, to everyone who are there. Shout out to Team Kulkog and Team Paangat. Thank you so much po for your support. To all my members and super chatters, thank you so much. To Lalabs Alaysa Vlog, to Dimple TV Official, Christine Validor. Ay, nag-change na pala si Lalabs Christine ng name niya. To Teen Beauty and Healthy Tips, to Husa TV Official, to Engineer Marty, Rhodes Lagura, Matthew Rose, Cecilia B. Erland, Crystal Wonderlust Diary, Joyce 8886 Vlog, Christopher Mondon, Dulcet Joy Channel, Kumari Vlogs, Hazem Omar, Nagalol, my son, hey, it's me, Yuan, Lolito Vlog TV, Maricel Yana Vlog, Bam Bam Hermes, Bandolino Channel, Midnight Star 02 TV, My Alter Ego, Ray Betdo, Miles Jen Channel, Shy Heart Explorer, Kid ML, Himala Vlogs, Kuya Cards, and sa lahat ng mga na hindi ko na shout out, thank you so much po. Hindi ko na memorize lahat ng mga names nyo, but I will see to it to put all your links on my description box. So please, to everyone who are watching, don't forget to visit my description box. There you will see their links, my members links, and please connect with them, be friends with them. They are all generous and friendly. They are all supportive. They will always there for you, to support you on your channel. So please don't forget to subscribe with them also. That's it for tonight. Thank you so much. Again, take care. Be healthy. Stay safe.
Wear your mask.
Wear your mask. Yes, so that's it. It's Ee's Diary. Thank you again, and bye-bye.